we got here in Yellowstone, and it was raining. And here we are now, and it is snowing. We're supposed to go hiking today. We're still going to go, but it'll be a little bit colder than we had anticipated.
I've never seen Yellowstone Lake frozen. So we got to be honest, we had every intentions of doing all this wonderful exploring and hiking in the park once we got there. But with all this foul weather, the rain, the snow, and quite honestly cold, it made it very difficult to do any of that. Not to mention all the popular attractions were so crowded in the parking lots, we just couldn't get in any of them, or even close to them. So we decided to call it a day and make it a very short trip in this beautiful park. We hope you really, really enjoy this. So this Old Faithful Inn is just gorgeous, made out of all this timber and logs. It was built in 1904 at a cost of about $140,000, if you can believe that. Over the years, it's been expanded several times, and I believe it's got a total capacity of, I think it was 280 rooms now at this point. But something you've got to see if you're going to come visit Old Faithful and take a tour around this beautiful building.
I don't know.
Well, if you come to Yellowstone, you've got to stop and see Old Faithful. She erupts about every 93 minutes on average, although they advertise from 45 minutes to 2 hours. But it seems to be about every 93 minutes. Anyway, we stood out in the pouring rain here for a little while waiting for it to go off. We were drenched, so after this went off, we got back in the truck and warmed up.